Hey, what's up, you guys? Just wanted to make a quick little video of this camper that we picked up last night for this pickup. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before we start fixing it. Well, it doesn't need much fixing, it just needs the window right here, so that's why we put the plastic bag, because it looks like it's gonna rain today. Well, it's supposed to rain. And also it was missing this one, this one, that one, and that one right there. So we got it off of another camper that we had at home, same style, it just didn't have this back door. It actually had the one that the regular one. It has this little door. It has a couple of shelves. So that's one of the things that we're gonna start removing, are the shelves, all those little plastic things. We're probably gonna redo these little curtain things. 4-piece back window. Has some power cables. I don't know if that charging thing, the charging port right there, is one of those wires, or for, I think the white and black wire back there is for the charging port, and then the other one I think is for the outside lights. I'm not sure. These I think are for the brake lights. Maybe these, I don't know, but we're gonna figure that out. It has a light over there in the back. So this is all hooked up to the switch, which is not connected. And then it has these little cubby holes. It's like some old fishing stuff. And then on this side, some old paper towels and some paintbrushes and stuff. So all this is gonna come off. The wood is in decent shape. Doesn't look like there's any rot or leaks coming in. But this is the window that needs to be replaced. I think what happened was that they locked it, and either they lost the key or something and they had to get in, so they busted this window to get in, because they even cut the screen off. But we're gonna see if we get lucky enough to find another window. There's another light right here, and it has this cool little vent. This is what I really like. So it looks pretty cool from the side once it's open. So get that closed. Some other repair that we have to do is this aluminum piece right here. So you can see it's like breaking already. So it's just a strip from here to here. So we're gonna replace that. Oh, and it also has this cool little window right here. You can open it and leave it open, you can close it. There's a little lock right here. So it's missing one screw on this piece right here, but it holds it closed, so we're good. Also, all these things are gonna come off, the Tacoma stuff and all that. It's in really decent shape. A little dirty, but it's cool. So we're also gonna remove these. I had like some reflectors right here. This one right there, and this one on the other side. Well, it's just the sticky part that was left. And we picked it up because we want to lower it even more. We're kind of debating on whether, we took off the Crown Vic wheels first of all, so it was rubbing on this side, so we have to figure that out. But then we want to lower it some more on some 15s or some 14-inch wheels, and I think with that camper in the back, it's gonna look pretty cool. This is the other reflector that's gonna come off. I don't think it looks good right there. One more thing, and the reason it's sitting like this, has a big gap right here, is because this camper was removed from 92, I believe, something like that. So I think back here from side to side where the tailgate closes is half an inch wider. So last night when we picked it up and we were putting it on this truck, we kind of messed up the bed. We fucked up the paint a little bit, but it's fine. So what we're thinking of doing is just removing this aluminum piece right here, cutting a 1/4 of an inch off of each side, which would equal 1/2 an inch in total, and putting the aluminum piece back on, and then it should slide right in. So you can see it's a little off right here. See all the paint chips, but it's cool. I mean, it's worth it for this camper. Let us know what you guys think.